Hi everybody, happy Thursday. Today I'm going to share with you an activity that I found from the Naples Botanical Garden. So a botanical garden is a huge, beautiful garden which has examples of plants from all around the world. The activity that I found is called a Nature Mandala. A mandala is a beautiful circle which has intricate designs inside of it. Here's a picture of a mandala. A nature mandala is when you use a circle as your outline and then you fill in that circle with things from nature. And you might try to even make a pattern with those things that you found from nature. So the first thing that we need to do with this activity is go out into our backyards or with our parents, go on a walk. And we're going to collect some things from nature. Maybe you'll collect some blades of grass. Maybe you'll find flowers. Maybe you'll find a piece of a helicopter. This is a half of a maple key, or sometimes people call them helicopters when they have two of these leaves and they spin down from maple trees. Maybe you'll find an acorn. I found this beautiful half of an acorn, which looks like it has a heart in the center, which I thought was really cool. So that's why I collected it. Anyway, you're going to go on a walk and collect some things from nature. Make sure that you wash your hands after you've collected these items. And when you're touching these items, try to, as hard as you can, not to touch your face at all. It is okay to pick these things up, but a dog might have peed on them or there might be some germs, so you don't want to put those germs on your face. Anyway, so I collected several items from nature. Here's a picture of all of the things that I found. Here's a list of all the things I found. What I found on my nature walk. I found 7 yellow flowers. I found 4 purple flowers. I found 6 rocks. I found 14 sticks. 5 halves of a helicopter, so 5 of these. 3 stems and 1 acorn. After I found my collection of items from nature, I made my circle, or the outline of the mandala. For the outline of the mandala, I borrowed a piece of yarn from my mom because she loves to knit. It is, I would say, this one might be especially long, but I would say making it about 45 centimeters or 18 inches is a good length because you'd like to have the center of your circle to be quite big to fit in all of the items from nature. So what I do is I take my string, fold it in half, and then I try to tie a knot by making a loop and then pulling the corner through. And then now I've made a circle. In order to make the circle fixed so it doesn't slide around when I'm trying to fill it in with my mandala pieces, I'm going to use some masking tape. Now I have to pick a focal point, or the very center point of my circle. So for that, I decided that I would use my very special acorn. Then I added rocks. Then I added sticks. Then I added the yellow flowers. Then I decided to try to make a pattern so that it went yellow flower, purple flower, yellow flower, purple flower. And then I added some extra details around the sides. Please share a picture of your nature mandala. If you want to make a list of the items that you found and tell us what you used, that would be great as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I can't wait to see your nature mandalas.